How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can go live on TikTok without showing your face. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok application. Now make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as there is no any such option on the previous versions. Once you open up TikTok, let's just update the TikTok and open it up, and you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and you'll get the option to post story templates, and if you swipe to the right you'll get the options live. Right now, basically I'm using my phone against the table, so it's dark, but in order to hide your face or to not show your face or to disable your camera while going live, what you want to do is you want to tap on the FX option that you can see on the screen. Once you tap on FX option here, you'll find a little gallery on the trending options. If not here, you can go ahead and you can search in for green screen option, and under green screen you'll find those gallery option where you'll be able to show the picture instead of your face. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you to choose a picture from your device. Now you can choose any picture that you wish to, and this way a picture will be shown instead of your camera. So once you select a picture, you can tap on it and you can just remove it, and then you can go live and this picture will be shown on your live. So this way you can go TikTok live without showing face. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.